hoping find the right guy, a romantic one.
Charis! Ano
I
romantic?
hope so.
Okay, so yeah, in this video, we'll ask Sherelle what she wants in relationship. Since she is single,
Yeah.
so what kind of relationship you like?
Maybe. And
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
30, like 15 years old, guys.
Yeah. So I look like 15.
15. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Michi the Filipina. And in this video, I'm with my cousin Sherelle. And how are you? How's your vacation? Just vacation.
Yeah, it's
Amazing.
amazing and enjoy.
Enjoy, yeah. She stay here for
2 days.
no one night.
One night.
Yeah, 1 day and 1 night. And tomorrow she will go back to Cebu.
Cebu, yeah.
So yeah. Anyway.
So, yeah.
There's I have question for here, and I think she will give the right answer to it.
I hope so.
Hello. I think Okay, let's start now. So she's my cousin, and yeah, I would love you to introduce yourself to them.
Okay. First, my name is Sherelle De Los Santos. I live in Cebu City. And
how old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
30, like 15 years old, guys.
So I look like 15.
15. For some people, you're 12. Just joke lang. And guys, as you can see, pretty single. Charis. Sana single. Single, right?
Yeah.
Single. She's single, guys.
And at this age, 30, I'm just enjoying life, and I hope one day I'm look for the right person.
Serious? No, guys, what are you waiting for? She's single, guys. Just
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, she's single, and I have question to her, so you will know what she wants. She wants in if in the future she find the right person that she wish. Sana all. Sana all. Sana all.
One day.
Yeah, one day.
Hoping find the right guy, a romantic one.
Serious? Romantic?
I hope so.
Okay, so yeah, in this video, we'll ask Sherelle what she wants in relationship. Since she is single,
Yeah.
so what kind of relationship you like?
Maybe the romantic one, sweet and loving. Of course, I'm sweet also. Loving and caring.
Yeah, that's Filipina.
That's Filipino.
Yeah, that's Filipina. But look at that, guys. Oh, she's milk now, and I'm Marina.
Wow.
Marina. So, okay, at the age of 30, why you think you choose foreigner than Filipino?
Maybe
What's the differences for you?
the difference between Filipino and foreigner. Oh my God, that's very hard to answer. Yeah, I'm maybe foreigner is like adventurous,
Yeah.
romantic,
Yeah.
and I hope to get a perfect one.
Yeah, okay, there's a differences, yeah?
Yeah. Foreigner is different than Filipino. Yeah.
So what do you think? What's the differences like?
The difference is they're adventurous and
they like adventure, right?
yeah. I love adventure too.
Yeah, you like adventure.
Travel and
yeah, she likes adventure too. So if you're in the Filipino, like they are just like stay in the one place. They don't like to go somewhere. Some Filipino like that, right?
Yeah.
So right. Yeah, that's different. The difference is of Filipino and foreigner. So what do you think? So this question, because she is single, What's your ideal,
Ideal
man?
guy
Sana
or
ideal
man?
guy.
Oh my God. Mm, I'm nervous. My ideal guy.
Goosebump?
Yeah, goosebumps. Ideal guy. Family oriented.
Family oriented. Yeah,
Family oriented. That's very important because I'm also a family oriented person. Yeah. I don't have a. My mother passed away.
yeah. She don't
Yeah,
have
since I don't have
parents.
parents. They passed.
Yeah, anyway guys, Cheryl is my first cousin.
Yeah. We're like
And
sisters.
yeah, we're like sister, and
We're very close.
our mother is sister,
Yeah.
but your mother is passed away since you
Since I
are,
was 8 months old.
yeah, she's
Yeah, I
very
didn't.
young.
And
So
then my father passed away when I was 19,
yeah, I think
20, I think.
4 years ago, I think.
No, it's way back 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember, but they all gone, and that's why my mother's like
Her mother is like just a mother to me also.
Yeah,
That's why we're very close.
We treat her like sister. We are sisters.
Yeah.
And yeah. So go back to
The question.
What's your ideal man? You already told that.
Family oriented.
Yeah.
Romantic.
Romantic. All the time romantic. Yeah, well, foreigners like that.
Yes. And of course, family oriented is very important.
Yeah, for
because
Filipino.
Yeah. And I know, God-fearing person.
Ooh, that's
Yes.
good. That's good.
So,
okay. So what age is what age you preferred? I think.
maybe I'm 30 now, so maybe I'm at the age
Like-
of like
40s or
40s or in their 30 up.
30
Like
up?
that?
Or
No?
I think. Are you okay with like 15 years age gap? Because me, I'm like 7.
Yeah, it's okay. If we can just get along together, maybe it depends with the
Yeah.
person.
Yeah, should. So you're okay with that now, like
The
10 to
age gap
15
and
age gap.
something. Yeah.
So 30, 40.
It depends on the guy.
Yeah. If you feel
If he treat me like him, why not?
it's
Right?
love month here in the Philippines, and
Because we're Filipina is the sweetest, romantic.
romantic. Romantic.
Yeah, really romantic. That's why Greg loved her so much. Oh, he always said she's amazing. She's beautiful. Oh, that's very nice to hear as a girl.
Sana all. Sana all, sana all. So,
Sana all.
you know how to cook?
I love cooking.
She love cooking, and
I love cooking. I can cook all day if you want.
So, I think all Filipino can cook naman.
Yeah.
Can cook. So, I think all Filipino can cook. They can clean the house.
Yeah.
They can
I
like
can do.
traditional.
Yeah.
They can like that.
It's just a small responsibility. So as
Because-
women,
As women, too. Responsibility of the woman to clean the house.
clean the house, do the laundry, washing dishes.
Sana all.
Yeah.
See, she's like me, guys.
Of course.
I do all the house chore, and I love that. There's no force to do, but we Filipina like love that. There's some Filipina that they don't like city girl.
Yeah. But
And-
but we're different. It depends on the situation. And if you like a party girl, then I'm not a party girl. I'm just staying at home.
home girl.
Yeah.
Sana all.
Home buddies.
Somebody's a bit of nervous, but that's fine. It's normal.
Yeah, it's
Even me,
normal.
I did a lot of video here on YouTube. Sometimes I don't know what's my topic, and I forgot.
You
I
forgot
don't
the
know.
line
Yeah.
how to yeah.
Yeah. So she love cooking also. She
I love cooking pasta, spaghetti,
Sana all.
Filipino foods. Yeah.
Filipino food. Well, we are like that Filipino.
Mm.
So do you think? Okay.
Okay.
So if the person is from my viewer, siya is from my viewer, or
Wow.
if you don't,
That's
if you have
interesting.
if you have channel, or I don't know if that people is from the channel, would you like to date subscribers or viewers?
Oh,
Because me, I meet
yeah, you meet Greg on
yeah,
YouTube.
YouTube.
For me, maybe it
It's
depends on the situation. If we can,
mm,
what do you call that?
it's okay if you can, compatible to each
Yeah,
other.
yeah, and we just know each other first.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, are you in that? Have you tried that? I know you tried to have the dating site.
Yeah,
What's your experience?
before, but it didn't work out. Yes, because most of
People,
people there, they're
but
they like just sending something like that.
no,
Yeah,
there's some people. So
yeah, but
Filipina,
that's why I stopped. I deleted all the apps that I downloaded before because no.
it's a no. Yeah,
I give up.
give up. Even me, I have experience about that since like when I was doing this.
Mm,
I tried that, but it's not work for me. It's
but
not work,
yeah,
and I'm not. I don't trust on dating site.
you know,
So I think she experienced also. She told me
yeah.
very bad. There's a lot of bad guy
There's
in the dating
there's a
site.
lot. They're like doing video calls and send me your something news like that.
Oh, yeah.
And we Filipino we don't like that. Very very
Yeah.
rude.
So I think she's also. Are you conservative? Of course.
Yeah, that's
Conservative
that's Filipino
culture.
culture.
Well, some, but there's
But there are
they are liberated.
yeah,
There's
some of girls.
they are liberated guys. So yeah, I think
Different
mindset,
yeah, and perspective.
perspective. Yeah. So yeah, well, some Filipinos are conservative, some are liberated. So
Mm-mm.
yeah, we tried. We both this time sharing our thoughts about dating site, and we
Mm.
been there before,
Yeah.
and it's
And
not good.
it's not a good experience.
It's not
The
good
bad
experience.
experience.
It's a bad experience. So
Yeah.
don't for me don't meet a person in dating site. Don't
Yeah.
trust dating site.
No. It's a big no for me.
Yeah, big no for you also. Yeah, for me also. So I think yeah, you already said your
Opinions and
yeah opinion and
everything.
okay. So do you think um we already talked about that now for age preferences. So yeah.
Mm.
So yeah, if you want to know more for Cheryl, guys, you can drop a lot of question
Mm-mm.
and good question because I remove bad question in my channel. So if you want to know here, you can drop your comment and also she also starting her channel. What's the name of her
Yeah.
channel?
Cheryl in the Philippines.
Cheryl in the
I
Philippines.
hope you guys subscribe my channel.
Yeah, she have a baby
I hope
channel.
so.
She will start
I'm just starting.
your channel. So
Yeah.
Cheryl in the Philippines, I will put a link. So that's a baby channel, guys. But she's single, so I think you guys will
Support me.
support.
And
She's living in Cebu. How long you stay
from
there?
here?
No,
Oh, how long? It's been since 2015.
2015. Yeah,
Yeah,
but
I live in Cebu since 2015. But every time I'm just visiting our province.
province.
So
My family
yeah,
always.
yeah, family first.
Yeah,
That's why family oriented is a must. And yeah.
So yeah, I think if you have lot of question, you can guys ask in the and she will check the comment
Yeah.
and I wish you all good luck.
Yes, please.
And advance happy
Happy
Valentine's
Valentine's! It's a month of love!
Months of love.
Love.
So that's all for today's video and check
That's
her
all.
channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
And that's
She's
all.
a Filipino.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the full
And-
Filipino.
Cheryl in the Philippines.
Sana all. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's all.
So, yeah, that's all. Bye.